Exercise 1726B, Cash Flow Hedge. On January 1st, 2020, Northlake Office Services issues a 10-year, $1 million note at LIBOR plus 1% with interest paid annually. The variable rate is reset at the end of each year. The LIBOR rate for the first year is 5.2%. Northlake decides it prefers fixed-rate financing and wants to lock in a rate of 7%. As a result, Northlake enters into an interest rate swap to pay 7% fixed and receive LIBOR plus 1% based on $1 million. LIBOR increases to 5.9% on January 1st, 2021. Instructions in Part A state compute the net interest expense to be reported for this note and related swap transaction as of December 31st, 2020. So to compute this, we first will calculate the amount of interest expense that we pay on the note. LIBOR was 5.2% and we pay LIBOR plus 1%. So the first year we will pay the lender $1 million times 6.2% or $62,000. As part of the interest rate swap, we will receive interest income at the same amount, LIBOR plus 1%, so $62,000. But we will pay on the interest rate swap a fixed amount of 7%, so 7% of $1 million is $70,000. So to calculate the net interest expense for 2020, we first have our total interest expense of $132,000 minus the $62,000 of interest income on the swap, so the net amount of interest expense is $70,000. In Part B, it states compute the net interest expense to be reported for this note and related swap transaction as of December 31st, 2021. So in 2021, we will pay interest expense of LIBOR plus 1%. LIBOR had increased to 5.9% on January 1st of 2021. So the interest expense on the note will be $1 million times 6.9% or $69,000. We will receive the same amount on the swap of $69,000, and then we will pay interest expense at the 7% fixed rate on the interest rate swap of $70,000. So to calculate the net interest expense for 2021, we first have total interest expense of $139,000 minus the interest income on the swap of $69,000 gives us the fixed amount of $70,000 for 2021. This is a cash flow hedge because the interest expense is fixed at $70,000. And that is the conclusion of the demonstration for exercise 1726B.